Hi guys, did you ever have a house plant that was ready to kick the bucket and you're like, oh, I don't want to have to go out and buy another one of those? I'll tell you what I do so I never have to replace a house plant again. If I have a house plant that looks sickly, I immediately start to cut off pieces. I put them in water and then in dirt later to get it to root up, and so I don't have to go out and buy a new one and just start one that way. Right now on my porch I have a mini rose that is not too happy. It's been really warm. I have one that's flourishing and the one right next to it doesn't look like it's happy. So I'm putting the cuttings in water. You basically cut it diagonally, pull off the bottom two leaves, put it in water. Hopefully it will root, and then I'll just put it in dirt. If not, I'll just have to replace it. But I do this all the time with all of my house plants. Plus, when I first get a house plant, I will usually start dividing it up as well so that I can have pieces, so that all of my houseplants, I'll have like 3 of each kind, so that if I lose one, I'll have a backup, and if they all flourish, I can give one to a friend. Okay, this is Ruthie with the Popa Backyard Farm. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Like, subscribe, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.